Dougie.
The magic ketchup experiment! Woo! Step 1. Remove the label. Step 2. Fill the bottle to the top with water. Filling the bottle with water.
You're missing the bottle.
Oops. 1 hour later. Step 3. Put the ketchup packet in the water. It's alright. Clean that up later. And screw the cap on tightly. Now I can make the ketchup float and sink at my command. Sink, ketchup. Float, ketchup. Sink, ketchup. Float, ketchup. Sink. Float. Sink.
There is a little bubble inside of the ketchup packet. As we know, bubbles float, and the bubble in the ketchup sometimes keeps the heavy packet from sinking. When you squeeze the bottle hard enough, you put pressure on the packet. That causes the bubble to get smaller and the entire packet to become more dense than the water around it, and the packet sinks. When you release the pressure, the bubble expands, making the packet less dense and more buoyant, and, alas, it floats back.
Balloon number 1.
Boom!
Balloon number 2. Oh yeah, baby. Get it?
Oh my god, it works! You should see the black from the fire on the inside.
Why does the balloon with no water break in the flame? The flame heats whatever is placed in it. It heats the rubber of both balloons. The rubber of the balloon without water becomes so hot that it becomes too weak to resist the pressure of the air inside the balloon. How does the balloon with water in it resist breaking in the flame? When water inside the balloon is placed in the flame, the water absorbs most of the heat from the flame. Then, the rubber of the balloon does not become very hot. Because the rubber does not become hot, it does not weaken, and the balloon does not break.
Add milk to a bowl.
Milk.
Add food coloring to the milk.
And watch as it stays on the surface. Better stay on the surface.
Almost like a
colors.
starfish.
It does. And one more color.
Wow.
Okay.
Now, we add dish detergent. Watch the magic
Happen.
with only 1 drop.
Magic!
The food coloring sits on the fat that's in the milk. When the soap is added, it breaks the fat apart and gives the marble effect.